Okay. Alright guys, so I am currently remaking or restoring my 85 Chevy S10 wheels. They're Avengers GTs. They're in terrible condition. They've been rusted on. The bolts are rusted. The drum is horrible. But that's why I'm here to give it some love. I'm gonna restore the wheels. I'm gonna actually do them black with white lettering over, black wheels. The tires are in great condition, but the wheels itself are just rusted, and that's no good. So what I'm gonna do is just paint them black and gloss them up a little bit and make them all pretty. Again, stay tuned. Subscribe my channel and just follow the journey of this S10 coming along.